Legend 55.
It is continued powered by World Sports Betting. It is times.co.za. Coach Eric Tinkler is top of the league. Mamelodi Sundowns have failed to beat Marumo Gallants. Marumo Gallants very difficult and very organized in defense, and the game ends as a draw. Well done to both teams. Well done to Marumo Gallants, really, because they were 1-0 down and they got themselves back into the game. Yesterday, we were maybe thinking whether or not Coach Eric Tinkler and Sekhukhune United will still be number one. Well, they are still number one. At least that will last for the next few days. So well done to Sekhukhune United. Mamelodi Sundowns failing to beat Marumo Gallants. Marumo Gallants proving, having beaten Orlando Pirates, they now take a point away from Mamelodi Sundowns. What did you make of the game, sir?
Mr. Geo.
Yes, sir.
Angibulise mfowethu.
Yeah, we were here earlier.
Ngibulise uStizi.
Yes, sir.
Ngibulise uchairman, ngibulise uLindo Mkwena. Ngibulise umhlekazi omhle. Ongasubhubha ngecawe. Ngibulise nemakhaya, cela support njalo iDisk TV. Ngizobenje binjalo ngishike futhi.
Mdala, Mr. Sir. You did the same thing in our earlier video today. So
no.
you're greeting them twice.
It's very important
You're
to
giving them blessings.
Yazi abantu abafana nalaba Mr. Nkiwo, as long as we are not paying to create continue.
Mara, it was, you guys don't like greeting people in this province of yours, where I come from,
yeah.
And maybe in other provinces.
Yeah.
In my culture, we actually greet in a very elaborate way. Sometimes it's actually very funny. But ever since I came to Joburg 5 years ago, I realized people don't even like this thing. They look at you funny when you're greeting them. It's like you're trying to scam them or anything, something like that.
No, angithi manje sesahlushwa kakhulu wena Mr. Nkiwo. Manje mawuqala uzobulisa, ngibheke emehlweni ungibulisa noma ungibulisa khona into oyifunayo.
Isigebengu sami.
Kunjalo Mr. Nkiwo.
Well done to Marumo Gallants. I mean, they came back into the game. Very good midfield play.
Yeah.
Mondem Pambaniso, Ndlondlo.
Yeah.
Also just the organization as well. Yes, it was every man behind the ball. Sometimes you don't compliment that.
Yes.
But because of the task that they had, which was Sundowns as big as they are, you had to just stifle them, make them not play football. What was your summary of your game, the game? How did you see it?
Mr. Nkiwo, Nzothi, well done to the coach of Marumo Gallants. I mean, playing against Sundowns, it's never been easy. You can ask anyone, Mr. Nkiwo will tell you. This team, it's a very, very strong team. This team is so balanced. And I'm saying this, yes, they are not in good shape, or I would say they are in a good environment, but they are not themselves as Sundowns that we all know. And but now, because of the quality players abanayo, they're always going to be a threat. They're always going to be a threat. But well done to the coach Marumo Gallants. I think he had a very good plan, a very nice plan, and he played Ndlondlo. Well done Ndlondlo son, goal son. Hey, ukora la muntu loyana. That's number one in Africa. So
that's on goal.
Yeah, Mr. Nkiwo. Sometimes let's appreciate the
I'm asking a question.
That's a goal because ushutile uya ukora la panoma goal post. So yadlula ku goalkeeper. So lo itasha yale phakathi. So Ndlondlo.
Just because you are his hero. Now you are justifying
no,
number
Mr.
15,
Nkiwo,
number 15 to number 15.
No, Mr. Nkiwo, it's very important because Mr. Nkiwo.
Definitely.
I like the effort. He makes a very good run to that box, good touch. Then he took a shot. Yes, there was a deflection there, and then it went in. And for me, what was important to Mr. Nkiwo was how he organized his team. Especially in that midfield where you're facing against Allende, you're facing against Adams, Mukwena. And to play with the false number 9, playing Ndlondlo, I think that was so clever of him. Because Ndlondlo will leave Ulonduzana Abokhoza Lapana and come Azomala Mukwena. And then Magemela Umkwena, then he gives Abompambaniso la emva kwakhe nabo Nhlapo la emva kwakhe, no, you guys now you don't have a lot of work because I've got this one here in my pocket. And they play very well. I like the pace when that transition. They play, they go with speed. And when they go with speed, they close the space behind. Even if when Sundowns they win the ball, they can't just get out
Too many
easily.
gaps.
Yeah, so that was very smart of.
What do you think of Sundowns playing Ushalulile and Ikram Reyners up front? We know that they've not been doing that. They've been playing two wide players.
Yeah.
But today they took the gamble to play Ikram Reyners, who did not come back from halftime.
Sniper. You know, Mr. Nkeo, we need to
Carlos knows
respect.
that. Just talk about this game in particular. I know you love him, but talk about
No,
this game in
the-
particular.
you know-
How was it? In partnership yake no Raiders.
No, it's always clashing partnership yabo.
Sure.
Too, because see, the both of them they wanna stay inside the box, and that's where they clash. So you need one of them. Or I don't know if you go to Shasha or if you go to Renas. But now I don't know. Maybe Renas, maybe Ulimel or something because
Who scored the opening goal?
yeah, that's why I mentioned maybe Limele because, but also this coaching tendency you could more Gorilla keep. Little kukorile the last game waqala ngaphandle. Umabhena wakora le against iMagezi waphuma eteamini. So I don't know ngathi yakwata iteam ekora. Shuthi unyakora wena ngithemina must go lapha just to control the midfield when you create a chance yakora, so you must stay out. But
That partnership at front doesn't work.
no, it doesn't work. It doesn't work because
Because they
both of
sacrificed
them,
a wide player.
Yeah.
Because they wanted Divine Lunga to be the one who was on the left-hand side.
Yes.
And every time he was there, he looks awkward.
Yeah.
And also, if you want to do that, make sure that it's Modiba or Pasadin as opposed to Ulunga, because Ulunga does not have the quality to be able to put crosses up front.
but even that when I'm saying you can see Guti, they are not really a team that plays a game with crosses.
Yeah, for sure, for sure.
You know,
Even
so,
though the goal they scored was
yes,
a cross.
yes.
Allende was putting
Allende
the cross.
now uyathuka nawe ukuthi kanjani uyabo, but they're not playing as they, you know, it's announced. I think they are also confused.
Yeah.
They're also confused ukuthi how should we create chances? Should we wait for them to make mistakes and then we punish, or how are we gonna do it? Because now end up afaka uLontuzana uMutiba. Now you've got Mutiba, you've got uShasha lapha phambili. Of which for me it's I don't know what if you had to Renas no Shasha, and then now keep Renas and then you add midfielders, and then the last few minutes, and then now you're gonna take out another midfielder, and then you put back another striker. What was the point for you to make that sub? So Sundowns, they're not themselves. They're not playing good football. It's just that they've got good players, quality players that they've got experience. They're good. They can make things happen at any given time. But nevertheless, you know, Marumo Galanti also, they came to the party. They did very well. They did their homework. They stick to their structure, their game plan, and it worked well. Even though I think there were moments where I think Marumo Galante, they deserve to get a goal.
They could have been more clinical up
Yeah,
front.
you know,
The problem they have, too, is that because they were defending so deep,
Yes.
by the time they get a chance, they're asking people to run 40 yards. And they were doing it, actually. I liked how fit they were to do it, but you're going to have to do it the whole game, up and down,
Yes.
up and down.
Yes.
Can we talk about Sundowns before we close? Because there's an interesting angle here. Anyone who's not a Sundowns fan, this is an interesting angle.
Yeah.
You must not pressure Sundowns to fire Cardoso. Because for as long as Cardoso is here, we're going to have a title race in South Africa. I know you guys think the right thing is to fire Cardoso. Because of course, it's Bafana in. But for as long as Cardoso is here, Njengoba Uti Sundowns is confused.
Yeah.
It will continue to be confused. That means Skokune have a chance, Pirates, when they get themselves together,
Yeah, yeah.
they have a chance, everyone else has a chance. So if maybe they leave it late until December, then at least we have an interesting title race.
What I want to see is that I want all these teams to beat the Sundowns at their best. With their style of play, with their creativity.
Well, they're not going to beat
They need
Sundowns
to
at their
find
best.
solutions.
No one beats Sundowns at their best
no, I'm just,
in South Africa.
Yes, I'm just saying in terms of them finding solutions when Sundowns they're doing very well, they're playing their type of football, how they play. Then, but now, if now we're going to celebrate when Sundowns are doing this, for me it's like our coaches. It means
If someone can win the league 8 times in a row, Mr.
Yeah,
So that tells you that We are
Yeah,
in the dog. You
yeah.
know what I'm saying?
Definitely.
We are
Yes,
better
we are.
off when they are weaker. You
Yeah,
know?
I know.
And when they are weaker, they're still number 2, number 3. You know.
Yeah. No, but you know, Mr. Nkeo, to face Sundowns, it's always going to be tough because of the quality players. So.
But the point is that if they allow Cardoso to remain there,
Yeah, it's going. No, Cardoso. Akahlale-ke Mr. Nkeo ngoba sifuna ukuthi league ibe open. But now the problem is that ukuthi makahlala, where is our football going again? Because
we need a season, Mr. So I'm sorry, I know I'm cutting you. We need one season where kuhlanga win whoever. Like I don't care who wins, but someone who's not them at least. I don't hate Sundowns. I always appreciate what they bring to South African football, and I respect them. But kuhlanga nje ukuthi we don't know. By the time we get to May, we don't know who's going to win. Because if they are healthy, if they get the right coach. For example, they're difficult to beat. Like by the time it's November,
yes.
season.
Yes. No, Mr. Nkeo, it helps. Ngoba if they're gonna go and win the league again this season, I mean, who's gonna come, Mr. Nkeo, again after all these years to break that record? It's gonna take.
I keep on making that point. Even them winning 9 league titles in a row.
Yes.
Even them, they can't break that record. One day in the next 20 years, they won't be able to break that record.
Yeah.
It's such a strong record.
No, bafethu umnyango uvulekile, bafethu senibonile ke. Uvuliwe umnyango madoda. Coach Eric, the door is open there, and now Coach Wadu. I did read that message. You come in, you told me. So please, the door is open now. You see. Thank you very much.
There you go. It's Marumo Gallants at home 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 1 in the Betway Premiership. Thank you for watching us.
Shapunjan bafowethu ikamala Mulindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Diski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi. They call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life. They are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Diski TV.